How to delete all Instagram reposts at once, full guide. If your Instagram profile is cluttered with dozens of reposts and you want them all gone without tapping delete 100 times, you're in the right place. In the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you the fastest and most complete way to clean them all up right now. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're covering exactly how to delete all your Instagram reposts at once. Whether you've been reposting stories or feed posts for months and want a fresh, clean profile, this full guide walks you through every method available in 2026. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your photo in the bottom right corner. This is where all your activity lives and you're going to start finding those reposts. Step 2. Tap the Reels and Posts grid on your profile and look for any content that has the repost arrow icon on it. That small arrow marks content you've reshared to your own feed. Scroll through and take note of how many you have. Step 3. For feed reposts, tap each reposted post individually. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of that post and select Delete. Unfortunately, Instagram does not currently offer a single button to mass delete feed reposts all at once natively. So for feed content, you will need to go one by one, but keep watching because the next steps will save you serious time on stories reposts. Step 4. For story reposts, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right, go to your activity, then tap photos and videos, then stories. Here you can tap select, choose multiple reposted stories at the same time, and delete them all in one batch. This is the fastest native method Instagram provides right now. Step 5. Use Instagram's archive to speed up the cleanup. Go to the 3 lines, tap archive, and you'll find all your old posts and stories stored there. You can select and delete multiple archived reposts from this screen, much faster than hunting them down on your live profile. Step 6. Once you've deleted everything, go back to your profile and tap refresh to make sure your grid has updated correctly. Sometimes deleted reposts take a minute to disappear from your profile view entirely. Pro tip: before you start deleting, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Reposting. And turn off the option that allows others to reshare your content, and also review whether auto-repost features are enabled on your account. Turning this off now means your profile stays clean going forward without any extra effort, and that's your complete guide to deleting all Instagram reposts. To recap, find your reposts using the arrow icon, delete feed reposts individually using the 3-dot menu, batch delete story reposts through your activity, use your archive for faster cleanup. And then turn off reposting permissions so it never gets cluttered again. Clean profile, fresh start. If this video helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe for more Instagram guides just like this one, and let me know in the comments, how many reposts did you end up deleting? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.